Lion DFT-105 diesel treatment increases diesel fuel economy. It helps clean diesel fuel systems, stabilizes and prevents corrosion, reduces emissions, and disperses water. To use, simply remove the cap and pour entire chemical contents into the fuel tank. Most Lion additives treat up to 20 gallons, and some may be considered hazardous, so always use caution. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.